Welcome back to the Ultimate Griddle Show, where today we're going to show you how to make a delicious club sandwich. Like we said, we're going to walk you through how to make these simple and delicious, crowd-pleasing club sandwiches. Brett, let's get to the process, and here we go. First things first, you got to look at the groceries.
Here
get
are
to
the groceries right here. Well, the club, you have basically a BLT and a turkey sandwich, all combined and separated at the same time.
Yeah, the bacon is what gets you into the club.
Yep, that's right. You got the bacon. Exactly. Actually, you think it's the middle piece of bread that gets you in the club, to be honest.
So, with sans that extra piece of bread, you're not in the club.
And I think it has to be cut in the small triangles. Also, requirements for the membership.
Yes, and it helps if you have perfectly square bread. We'll address that in a minute, but Brett, get to the rest of the groceries.
All right, here we go. We are using this, we got white bread. We're using turkey, oven-gold turkey. We've got Munster cheese, bacon, lettuce, tomatoes, salt and pepper for the mayo.
Yes, always.
For the tomatoes, mayonnaise, and butter as well. Am I missing anything?
I think you got, did you say the bacon?
I said the bacon.
Then did you talk about the little,
oh yeah, that's right. The cocktail sticks.
You need the cocktail sticks, the cocktail
toothpicks, if you will.
If you will. Yep. All right. So first things first, Brett. You always got to lay down your bacon.
Yep. We started with the bacon, and there it is.
This Smithfield bacon is so good, and it cooks up so quickly. Now, a tip and something we typically do, we try to put the bacon down on a cold griddle. It keeps it from curling up too quickly. That said, we had to get the griddle cooking. We've got a lot of cooks we're doing, so it was already on. We had it on low, and guess what? The bacon was done in about 4 minutes. Give it a flippity-doo-dah, flippity-a,
and
gave it a flip, and one more flip, and then pulled it, set it off to the side, and Brett?
And then a quick wipe down of the griddle to get ready to toast the bread. Now, of course, we have 6 pieces for 2 sandwiches because, well, again, one of the requirements for the club, the membership is that middle slice of bread.
And if we're gonna toast bread, may as well butter
it,
and
yes.
toast it. So it's gonna be nice and buttery, but it didn't take long at all. Just got this flip once, flip twice, pulled the bread, and guess what? The cook's done. Now it's time to build.
I tell you what, the Pit Boss Griddle has done its job up to this point. We'll take it from here, Pit Boss.
Yes.
So, of course, and this is the build, really easy. Throw down some mayonnaise, and then we did the Munster cheese.
Right.
And then we just did 2 slices of the turkey. It's huge slices of turkey, so we folded it over, then put the middle piece down. Then we go tomato, salt and pepper, or a little mayonnaise on both sides of that bread, by the way. Tomato, salt and pepper. We did the bacon, the lettuce, and the topper, and then we cut it as best we could into perfect triangles again. Because the way that the shape of the bread is wide, it's like kind of long. We didn't get the perfect triangles, but these are perfect sandwiches.
And if you look, it worked perfectly the way it should. Super excited for this one. That was it. This is a really quick and easy process. Obviously, anytime you go on cookouts, you seem to eat and do the same things. This is something different. If you're feeding masses, one sandwich goes a long way. You get 4 little ones. These could be appetizers. It could be your own.
You got maybe tailgating. You got a game coming up, or just your kids, friends are over, and you want to be able to feed all the little mouths. This is a perfect way to do it.
Or if you're just chilling and cooking with your twin brother, you can do that as well.
Exactly.
Let's go ahead and grab one and dig on in. I'm looking for my favorite one, the best one.
Feel cool by eating a lot of little sandwiches. That's a good way too.
All right, we got Griff out here helping. Oh, I got bacon about to fall out. That is a party foul.
I did too.
So let's make sure that goes in. I can take out my little
cocktail stick.
Cocktail. Brett, like we say, it can look amazing.
These look absolutely amazing.
Like we say, it can smell amazing.
Can I get a smell? Yeah, that's really good.
Yeah, you can. But if it doesn't taste amazing, how about I get my lines? But if it doesn't taste amazing, this is all for naught. Cheers. I'll eat to that, my brother.
Oh, yeah.
That salted tomato, salt and pepper tomato.
The buttered bread.
You can taste all of it. I can even get that Munster cheese down at the bottom there.
This is just a fresh, delicious, the crisp of the lettuce.
If you're going to make a sandwich anyway, why not make it a club? And it's really funny. We talk about this often. When it comes to griddle cooking, what makes it so much fun is the fact that you're taking what you get at a restaurant or when you're eating out anyways, and you're bringing it home. Yes, this is a basic club sandwich, but this tastes like I went to a restaurant and got it. Something about the taste of the food off the griddle that just makes it better.
Exactly right. And we said it before, we'll say it again. Because of the griddle, we're able to make, like you said, restaurant quality food.
Right.
It's absolutely amazing. Bring the restaurants to home, you're saving the money, and you're saving the time and gas.
Well, we're out here in the middle of the sun, as you can see, the middle of the heat, so we're going to get up out of here. Thank you so much for sticking around and watching this. If you did enjoy this video, if it gave you an idea of something else that you can make on your Pit Boss Griddle, make sure you give the video a thumbs up. We really do appreciate it. It's one way in which you can support us in what we do.
You can also subscribe to this channel so you get more content like this from not only us, but other Pit Boss creators as well.
So with that, we're going to get up out of here, Brett.
Let's do it.
All right.
So thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you next time on The Ultimate Griddle Show.